Welcome back to another one from Advancing Car. Today, I've not been working on this one actually. Owen's done all of this one. T5.1 is a returning customer. We've previously did his multifunction steering wheel. And now what he's come in for today is a Halo 9. So really nice unit. And then what he also asked us to do was to just integrate the rest of the sound system gear that he had in there and just make sure it was all working, doing its job as it should do. So what he already had in here is one of the little Vibe inline 4-channel amps running off high level, and then he's also got I believe it's like a Vibe slick amp under his double passenger seat, and that was running, it might have 2 amps, can't remember actually. But anyway, he had amps running rear speakers because he's got some 8-inch coaxials in the back, and he's also got a big 12-inch Type R, one of the old school Type R subs, and all the relevant wiring and everything was kind of around about the glove box area. So we just made sure that everything we needed was there, so that we could keep that high level input, keep the phono inputs and everything like that, and plug them into relevant places. Owen just went through it all, made sure that all the relevant kind of remote cables were there and everything, tied up a few little connections here and there, and yeah, and then he's just gone through and made sure everything's working an absolute treat. He's also, just for a real nice sleek install, has installed the HDMI USB socket, which is an add-on, which you might have seen in one of our previous videos recently of Alpine add-ons. He's installed that in the glove box, because if you know your T5.1s, you've got that lovely little blank area up the top. So he's done a real nice job of slotting that in there and getting that sitting there. So now a Fire Stick can be used, you know, a phone can be plugged in, and you can have YouTube or whatever running on the Halo. And yeah, everything is doing its job. It's all working really well. It all looks really good, and as always, installed to a high standard. And yeah, that's it. I think this customer's going to be really happy with it all. It's going to sound good, all looks good. That's about it really, isn't it? You know, standard, cool Alpine install. So if you've got a T5.1, check out some more of the videos we've done, some other bits and pieces, and if there's anything you'd like doing, get in contact on the contact form, or you know, pop down, come see us, and then see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching. Check out all the other videos and things, and we'll see you again soon.